Hey, do you know what is macrophobia? What is mastigophobia? What is fear of moths? What is fear of dirt? To know about different kinds of phobia, please keep watching this video till the end. Before we go in,
please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for updates.
Hi friends, good day. Let us look into types of phobia with letter M. Macrophobia, fear of prolonged waiting. Macrophobia, fear of prolonged waiting. Megarocophobia, fear of cooking. Megarocophobia, fear of cooking. Malaxophobia, fear of love play. Malaxophobia, fear of love play. Mastigophobia, fear of beating. Mastigophobia, fear of beating. Mechanophobia, fear of machinery. Mechanophobia, fear of machinery. Medomalacophobia, fear of losing an erection. Medomalacophobia, fear of losing an erection. Megalophobia, fear of large things. Megalophobia, fear of large things. Melanophobia, fear of the color black. Melanophobia, fear of the color black. Meningitophobia, fear of meningitis. Meningitophobia, fear of meningitis. Menophobia, fear of menstruation. Menophobia, fear of menstruation. Merinthophobia, fear of fixing of boundaries. Merinthophobia, fear of fixing of boundaries. Metallophobia, fear of metal. Metallophobia, fear of metal. Can you recall the words we discussed? Macrophobia. Megarocophobia. Fear of large things. Fear of color black. Fear of menstruation. Fear of fixing of boundaries. Metallophobia. Few more types of phobia with letter M. Metathesiophobia, fear related to changes. Metathesiophobia, fear related to changes. Meteorophobia, fear of meteors. Meteorophobia, fear of meteors. Methophobia, fear of alcohol. Methophobia, fear of alcohol. Metrophobia, fear of poetry. Metrophobia, fear of poetry. Microphobia, fear of small things. Microphobia, fear of small things. Misosophy, fear of wisdom. Misosophy, fear of wisdom. Nemophobia, fear of memories. Nemophobia, fear of memories. Mollusmophobia, fear of infection. Mollusmophobia, fear of infection. Monopathophobia, fear of contracting a particular disease. Monopathophobia, fear of contracting a particular disease. Monophobia, fear of being alone. Monophobia, fear of being alone. Motorphobia, fear related to automobiles. Motorphobia, fear related to automobiles. Mothphobia, fear of moths. Mothphobia, fear of moths. Muriphobia or myophobia, fear of mice. Muriphobia or myophobia, fear of mice. Musicophobia, fear of music. Musicophobia, fear of music. Musophobia, fear of mice. Musophobia, fear of mice. Mycophobia, fear of mushrooms. Mycophobia, fear of mushrooms. Myrmecophobia, fear of ants. Myrmecophobia, fear of ants. Mysophobia, fear of dirt. Mysophobia, fear of dirt. Mythophobia, fear of myths. Mythophobia, fear of myths. Myxophobia, fear of slime. Myxophobia, fear of slime. Can you recall the words we discussed? Metrophobia. Microphobia. Misosophy. Fear related to automobiles. Fear of moths. Muriphobia. Mycophobia. Misophobia. Mythophobia. Myxophobia. If any of your answer is wrong, please visit the video again. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and do share.